Hoko ato ni pea moe tau whiau I tau lunga o e pōni, ko tawa o mai ni ki he contestant Fika Uoua. We're up to contestant number 22 in our Tawalunga competition, part of Miss Heilala Pageant 2019. Ladies and gentlemen, please warmly welcome to the stage our next contestant 22, the current Miss Ministry of Infrastructure, Otile Monica I Emalata Ikani. Otile Monica Emalata Ikani is from the villages of Sia Kotaloke, Maka Kofeleunga, Vaiko Kanakana, Ohonua Eua, and Alofi Niue. Currently Tauleva in Hala Maumaukola, Tofoa. She loves dancing, reading, serving others and spending time with loved ones. Otile graduated from Tupou Tertiary Institute with a New Zealand diploma in business management and human resources. She is a returned missionary serving in the Philippines and currently employed at the Ministry of Infrastructure. Mo paspasi mai a Miss Ministry of Infrastructure, Otile Monica I Emalata Ikani.
Miss Ministry of Infrastructure, tulou pe moha apunake pe moha vavanga. Kaya ta ke whakuatu ai kakei o ki I whine motuani. Ko wingoa ko Otile Monica I Emalata Ikani. Pea ko hoku tau wa whaeni. Ko e kulele mai, me maile ai te volo mo Sia Kotaloke. Funga maka ko whileunga, vai ko kanakana. Alofi Niue pe moe hala Maumaukola. O wau whakaunga tāma ki he pot ngāu e ngahi ngāu e lalahi. Pea koe pōnia, koe talape ai whiawhia, ai kuhoko koe sewaniti mai kakai e whonua. Ko hoku kakei, koe teunga ngatu uri, o ku laloni aki ai maile, o fungani aki ai ngahi kakala hingoa kekehe, ho tau tala whakawhonua. O ku whafofonga e ngatu uri, ai whaka ei eiki a hoku tonga. O ku whafofonga e ngahi kakala hingoa, o ku fungani ai masani a hotau wanga whafonua pe moe lotu. Ko hoku mua wala, koe helua pilo levu, nusi, whautia, whamatamoana, alamea pe moe vewe heilala. Ko hoku kahoa koe pito ingalau, whawae nusi palataha heilala. Nai tōri ia me he fu heilala fuspala, me maka ko whileunga. Pea tu ia he ne whawha e, me api ko lotu lewa. Ke ne whakamoho moia I he aho katoa ngā. Ko hoku nolo tō koe maile lau momo, me he maile te volo, o fungani akia ai ala mea heilala. Ko ku vesa nima moe vae koe maile lau momo, o tuiki ai whautia. Ko hoku teki koe nusi heilala, na e toli ia me fu heilala ko fuspala. Me hala Maumaukola, ke u whakamani aki he aho o e whaiwatala. Ko hoku pure o tō koe ukufia, me fu maka ko whileunga, o lanu ia vai ko kanakana. Ko hoku whasi koe otumotu, koe maimoa koe Salote te Poutolu. Koe kaulangi tua, koe kalapu te mata ia me ilo mai witi. Ka mou mea mai, tua o whātu.
Go!
Mo paswasi mai ai Kedesin Thika Uaua, Miss Ministry of Infrastructure Otile Monica i Malata i Kani, taongo fulu ma fa. Contestant 22, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Ministry of Infrastructure, 24 years old, Otile Monica i Emalata i Kani. Of course, Otile is a graduate from Tupou Tertiary Institute with a New Zealand diploma in Business Management and Human Resources. She's also currently undertaking an online course on BYU's Pathway Connect, hoping to pursue her degree in law to help keep the peace back here in the Kingdom of Tonga.